Hello guys, Thomas here, TV Rc-Xtreme G-Pit with a Traxxas Sledge using M2C Racings conversion kit, Jackhammr. Nasty one. As you can see, it's been raining a lot here. Animal, this car. Oh, savers. Well, we got some smaller piles down there, like stone mill. As you can see, it's really wet and muddy there. I've not yet decided if I'm gonna do some ram sessions from the top. I don't know. God damn, that was hard. That felt. Awesome. Well, I'm not gonna go so hard. Well, you always say that, Thomas. No one remember. That was... So I'm gonna oh fuck. My life. Sorry for that effort, guys. So done bashing. Good session. Missed that those HRB are kind of small or on the short side, so came out of the car as you have seen. I'm not sure how it will work. Anyway, so this is the M2C Racings Jackhammr, the conversion kit. It is fully beefed. Everything. From these pin holders, shock towers, ZRS, O-ring system, everything, outdrives, chassis, thin coated shock shafts, don't remember what oil I'm running on this one. Max 6, Thunder Rose, 18K fan. This one is a classic Traxxas X-Max 6S motor, 1600 kV. Louise RC tires. The car is a freaking beast to drive. Really fun. And that's a VEX servo. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.